What a week. We finally bit the bullet and bought a new couch. Say that 3 times fast. On our last video, we finished the gas stove installation, which means we can finally say goodbye to the old toaster oven. We also finished the upstairs bathroom by installing the sliding glass doors and continued with the drywall work on the ceiling. Although 2025 is only a few days old, I had one of the biggest meetings of my life this week, which meant finishing the office space downstairs with the Codebreaker sign. Oh, and any minute now, the new couch arrives. Let's get into it. Well, fam, can you even believe it's 2025? If you had asked me as recent as 1 year ago if I thought I'd be having the kind of meeting I had this week, I would have said you were nuts. But here we are, new year, same me, just a better version. If you're new around here, we're building 2 tiny cabins right here on the lake. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. Welcome back. Are we number 4?
Yep.
For delivery, we're 4, so 3 ahead of us this morning.
4 stops.
And then a new couch.
Before you.
Yes! Oh, it's gonna feel like a brand new house, new stove, new couch, new oven. Brrr, it's a cold one out today, but as usual, I'm gonna take you out to the beach. Winter decided to winter again this week. It's been a little bit mild, but nope. Not now. We're into January. And that means the vehicles don't like to start as much, you know? Okay, I think it might actually be time to break out the winter jacket. Whew. Still gorgeous though, isn't it? Gorgeous. Oh yeah, looks like the waves are freezing and piling up again. How cool is that, Lo? Oh yeah, same thing over here too. That is cold. Look at that. Good morning, and thanks for riding with me this morning. Number 4 on the list, which means the brick should be here. They said before 12:45 p.m. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning now. 3 stops ahead of us. Wow, that was quick. Huh? What do you think of the color there, fam?
Oh, I love the size. It's gonna be so comfy.
Yeah, it really is. Remind me, is this one a bed?
No.
Good, don't come over, people. Where's me?
And these are all come off and can wash.
Cool.
Oh, it feels soft too. Feel that fabric.
I do, it's just freezing cold.
Yeah. Okay. I don't see feet in that one, do you?
Feet? I wasn't looking.
Oh, maybe in here?
Probably. It only goes to there.
No, it goes all the way around.
What? What is this magical sorcery? It's stuck on plastic now. Ta-da! What is this?
I don't know.
Alrighty.
You zip her back up.
Yep.
Leave it unzipped for Tom to go in there.
Yeah. New cat playground underneath.
Okay. I found some instructions.
Okay. Instructions for a couch. What?
This must be to connect it to the other one.
Yeah. Fancy. Pardon?
Crazy how light couches are.
How light couches are? Yeah. Modern time. All right. Check this out, friends. It's done. It is finished. Double sliding glass doors. What do you think? So the top rail was mounted to there. We did that, I think, in the last video. And yeah, I don't know what else to tell you. That's what it looks like finished. And yeah, there we go. A finished bathroom upstairs. after 4 flipping years. Laundry hamper. All we have to do now is trim. You know, decorative, finish this stuff here, finish this stuff here, and then it's completely done. But that can wait another 4 years. Right, Steph? Could wait 4 more years before we trim the upstairs bathroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Totally ready.
Cardboard fire today. What is this piece? How many pieces are there?
4.
Okie doke.
I didn't want to put it
On the what?
dirty floor.
The dirty floor.
Okay. Oh, it's gonna be so comfy.
Oh, I like it. I like sharp corners.
Push everything out of
Uh-huh.
there. Oh, can I?
Oh, it already has dog face on it. Good girl.
Come on.
It's a lot lower to the ground. These modern couches wider and shorter.
Come on.
Big old cushion. Good girl.
Girl.
That's why we
Alright,
can't have
ready?
nice things. Can't have nice things.
Yeah, nice things. Okay,
Box 2.
so that'll be the other side.
Yeah.
This will be the next one.
Yep.
Because there's 2 middles, I think.
2 middles, 2 ends.
I think.
It's 4 sectional modular thing.
Yeah. Knife?
Kniff. Well, if you're new around here, I've done a lot of speaking over the years at conferences and school districts all over North America and beyond. I've been as far as Hawaii, Alaska, and even Budapest to share my work. These days, Codebreaker amplifies the stories of content creators and other educators doing amazing things in the field. Visit us at codebreakeredu.com. Hey, what do you think I can share about this meeting that happened yesterday? That's been a while in the planning, but came to fruition and is looking amazing. But don't want to jinx it.
Yeah.
Don't want to jinx it. Big content creator person. Possible book deal. Partnership collab.
Well, you can share all of it. But what
Somebody
if it
y'all might
if
know.
It doesn't happen. Is that?
That's the bad mojo right there.
Yeah.
That's where they clip together. This piece on the other one clips to this piece.
Can I give you those so they don't end up
In a foot, in a tire.
Yeah.
Oh, good girl. That's your bed, huh? Oh, good girl. Yeah. Is that your spot now?
It's totally backwards.
Well, in modern day, when you buy modular couches, we might just put 3 pieces down here and have the other one like this sit by itself upstairs, right to top by the railing, because
I know what I did.
we're almost at the garage door already.
I know what I did.
What did you do?
One goes off of either this side.
Oh, like Tetris piece, not linear.
Little L.
But we can still L it, or 3 and 1 upstairs. L?
Let's start with the L.
Start with the L.
I'm ready for a one upstairs. So
Well, that's true. We don't even have a railing upstairs. So you know who's going to fall if we do that? So exciting.
Yeah,
Uh-huh. Do you like how they pack everything inside of the unit?
I do.
Talk about efficiency. What do you think of the Codebreaker wall?
I love
The new sign? Wow, I've had the sign for a long time, but I didn't have a wall to put it on. So a couple of my books now is the backdrop for Zoom calls and things. So I kind of look semi-professional now. Maybe. Well, yeah. Oh, dear.
We got all our YouTube stuff up there.
All the camera gear.
Lights, drones.
Mm-hmm. 2025's the year.
Looks like a GoPro's on over there, the red button.
It's charging.
Stevie, are you happy?
I think we decided to go the L this way. Look, couch, Minecraft book, same. Modular blocks. Get it?
Yep.
Block breaker. Shameless plug. Good girl, Stevie. How's that corner? Is that good? So,
Try one little first.
put the out the garage door, and then in the spring when this opens, we'll turn the whole thing so we can face the lake with the TV on the side. Uno más.
No más.
I was like, okay, this couch is huge, and I was worried. But it takes up a lot of floor space. But being short of the ground, you don't have to walk around it. You know what I mean? You can walk over it. So, it takes some getting used to, but I dig.
I think Stevie will like that too.
What, being able to jump over?
Yeah.
Ta-da! Doggo approved.
Do you like it?
Check it out from back here.
Do you like it?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Cozy.
That's the office lounge space.
Wow, it looks good.
It looks awesome, yeah. Now for this mess. Like, oh, come on. Goodbye. I could get used to this direction.
Is it nice?
Yeah. New fireplace. Office space. That's how you live in a garage right there. Well, for the first time in a few years, I finally feel like I have some direction. When I left my classroom, there was a bit of an identity loss, and I've been struggling to reclaim or find just who I might be. It's now been over 2 years since my last alcoholic beverage. We're getting to the end of these 2 property builds, and our publishing company is taking off exponentially. Well, fam, we're at the end of another day. I am so grateful to you. Who would have thought my work would have led me to such influential people? I don't want to say too much for fear of spoiling it, but things are looking incredibly promising with this individual who you've seen on the History Channel. We've got another book coming early 2025 with a foreword written by another Canadian celebrity you're all gonna know, but I have to keep those things in the vault for the time being. Brrr. Brr, 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 brr. Oh, zoom out phone camera. All right, time for me to get out of here. Peace and love from Canada's most southern mainland shoreline. Give somebody close to you, tell them you matter. Don't forget, you matter. If you're still here, you like this content, consider hitting the like button, subscribe, leave us a comment down below. Catch you all on the next one.